So this is a video of a few images that we've selected, kind of narrowing down the theme that we want to present to you for the revisions. We like the font that you've chosen for the first image that you put together for us. We think the font's nice. And then these three images is what we like about them. It's simplistic. It's very minimalistic. Anything you want to add?
I think we would have preferred if it was black and white with line drawings instead of being filled in.
Great. And this one I really like because it's the fox is a strong image. The fox seems stoic, strong, sexy, and then the lines are real nice. And there's something you added or you thought you liked about this. What was it?
No, I think that we also might like it if it was lines instead of filled in.
Yeah,
Black
lines
and
instead of
white.
filled. Yeah, could be an interesting um, twist on it. Okay. Yeah, and then this one I really liked. I don't know. I think I just like the symmetry of it. It doesn't seem particularly strong to me, but I like the symmetry. I like the simplicity. I like. I just think it's a visibly appealing um, image. Yeah, that's it. And I think it looked awesome on the front of a ball cap. Appreciate your help. That's our video.